Everyone, my name is Vicki Tayton, and I'm going to be your instructor for DMA C102 for the fall and spring semesters and sometimes summer. So welcome to class. I hope that you are excited about learning Photoshop. It is a great, powerful software. A little bit about me, I have been teaching for Saracoso for over 15 years. And prior to that, I taught at the high school level, commercial art. I taught Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. I helped design the yearbook, that kind of thing. I'm happy to be at Saracoso, and I'm also happy that we moved online some time ago, well before the pandemic. So all of the DMA C102 classes and instructors have been online for some time, a couple of different platforms, but we're really happy with our current platform, which is Canvas. I'm going to take you on a short tour around Canvas. Our class starts on Monday, August 23rd. You're able to log in beginning on noon, Friday, August 20th. I do recommend that you just go ahead and try to log in before Monday, and then you'll see a couple of things, including this welcome video. You'll also be able to download a copy of the syllabus, and there's a couple of other resources that will be visible to you as soon as you log in on the weekend. Week 1 will open up on Monday morning, very early, about 7 o'clock. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen. And I'm going to take you over to our class. So when you log into Canvas, this is what our class looks like. You'll see a front page. Well, the first thing you'll see are some of the archived announcements. Then you'll see a persistent front page, which includes my Zoom link. So if we ever are going to hop on an impromptu Zoom, like during office hours, then you can just go ahead and click that link. Here's my email. I also recommend that you use the inbox, which is over here on the side. And when you click on the inbox, that's just like an email, but it goes through the Canvas system. And that is a really easy, quick way to get a hold of me. I see notifications when I log into the course here, and I also get notifications on my email. You can also use Pronto if that's something that you have installed. Pronto is like a messaging, there we go, messaging app that you can put on your phone or other device. And I see those pop up right away, just like instant messaging. So this is the home front page. And then down here, you'll see a persistent block. This has a couple of a couple of resources that never change, like the course Q&A is located here. This page, Photoshop tips and tricks, is something that you can contribute to. Like lots of times during the course of the semester, people will find things online and want to share them with everybody else. So this is a great place to do that. And then down here is a copy of the syllabus. So when you click on this, it will download a PDF copy to your computer. I do recommend that you go through the entire course using the module view. These modules can be collapsed and expanded. There's an outline every week. There are some required readings and other resources. And then there are the assignments. So if you kind of stick to this module view, you will see all of the things that I've clumped together for that week. And I think the whole week will make a lot more sense for you, rather than there are some places over here where you can go directly to discussions or directly to assignments, but I really don't recommend that you go through the entire class like that. Let's see, I think that is about it on Canvas. Yeah. So anyway, you feel free to message me and take a look around when you log in prior to class. And we'll have some of these Zooms, some more recordings during the semester. We can always meet up, and I'm happy to help you. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing and come right back. I think that's all I wanted to tell you. So welcome to class, and I will see you soon. Bye.